So I built this balsa DLG last week, and I posted some clips and photos on my Instagram page to document the build. And since they were sitting in my photos and not really doing anything except taking up space, I figured before I deleted them, I'd compile them into a short video to post on YouTube and to show you guys how I go about building my balsa DLGs. Enjoy! A spring and string tail for a DLG. Quite springy, actually. Very powerful. Little spring in there with that little patch to keep it from ripping out of the balsa wood. See, there's the wire. So yeah, little sprung elevator. We'll go put it on the plane. So here's how I decided to address the issue of the servos being 90 degrees off kilter. Instead of a pulley, because that was just a accident waiting to happen, I just made two little guides. The gussets are bass and the guides are balsa. So the threads, the pull cables there will just come through the guides, and the servos will push and pull this way, not this way, but this way will transfer to this way through the guides, and then it will go whoop, down here to these. So yeah, simple. The DLG is all finished. The tail surface is working. There's the rudder, and there's the elevator. And the kind of neat thing is, if we go over here and open up this hatch, look at the, oh, in fact, it was open. There we go. Servos are like going the opposite way they should be going, but there are like guides that act as like kind of pulleys that pull it the right way. So it's kind of neat. A neat little mechanism that I thought of to address that issue, and they're sprung, so they always make that noise. And it's a pretty good weight for a glider this size. It's 115.7, so I didn't get under the 100 grams that I was going for, but I mean, that was pretty idealistic. I think 115 is pretty good. Quite pleased with it. Can't wait to fly it.